Mold is a tool used to manufacture plastic, injection molding technology products, usually made of hardened steel or aluminum alloy, with high requirements for accuracy and corrosion resistance. The manufacturer's design requirements for them are to be able to withstand higher temperatures and pressures during the injection molding process. The design and structure of the mold determine the quality, accuracy, and consistency of the final plastic parts. The plastic injection molding process mainly involves injecting molten plastic material into the mold cavity to manufacture plastic parts. This is one of the most commonly used methods for large-scale production of plastic products. The process first places plastic particles or powder into a heated bucket and heats it to a molten state in the bucket. Then, under high temperature and pressure, they flow inside the mold cavity, filling every corner and gap of the mold shape. The plastic products produced by injection molding not only include simple household and daily necessities, such as bottle caps and toys, but also include precision and complex automotive and medical equipment. The advantages of plastic injection molding are outstanding, including high productivity, the ability to produce identical parts, and the ability to produce complex geometric shapes. Do you want to further understand our company's products or services? Welcome to leave a comment in the comment section. Welcome to follow, subscribe, and consult for more industry information.